Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We see a lot of selling pressure today that is basically all in line with the previous update that I issued earlier today. We talked about this possible third wave to the downside, and I have in the meantime or intraday already communicated that on Discord already, but I have added another alternative count. Okay, I don't think we need it, but it is there for us to consider, due to the potential of still morphing and changing and transforming wave counts. The idea is that still unchanged, that we are here in this sort of WXY structure, and in the Y wave we have an A, B, C. The C wave should target $2,500. Why? Because looking at the internal wave structure, looking at the length of the A wave, comparing it with the length of the C wave, the 100% extension level, which is a common target for the C wave, points to $2,500. If I then, however, consider the microstructure, we already have completed nearly what is needed to complete the third wave. So if we just go with normal length of the wave 3, for example, we won't get to 2,500. Now that could mean either that the third wave or the fifth wave will be way extended, which is what I warned about earlier today on Discord, that the third wave could be very much extended. Or it means we are going to see it morph and transform, because there is a lack of confluence between the larger degree time frame, or the larger degree target, and the lower degree targets, okay, the micro count targets. So there's only, it just means that things don't fully line up. So we have to be on the side of caution. We have to be very much aware of, just pay attention, I would say, Obviously, things can change very quickly in the crypto space, so I try to prepare you early for things like that, and at least you know my reasoning behind this. So the preferred scenario is this, the white count to the downside. Again, there might be some morphing, transforming, as we've seen it throughout this entire correction. We have seen in this count a B wave top, wave 1 down in 5 waves, a wave 2 corrective rally that reached yesterday the resistance area, got rejected there, and this could be a third wave to the downside. Third wave down, 1.618 extension is a common target. The 1.38 is the first ideal target, but as I said, it probably will extend. And that means it could reach 2,800, no problem, which is the 200% extension. Then we could get a fourth wave bounce and a fifth wave down, and we'll see how far that goes. At the moment, the micro resistance area is between $3,017 and $3,097. Why is that important? It's important because a break above $3,097, if it's a convincing break, could indicate that this C wave rally to the upside is unfolding. So we have an A, B, C structure, all right? Or it could even be A in 3 waves, B wave down, in 3. It just depends, that isn't both possible, okay? And then a C wave rally from there, and that would form a larger B wave. It basically means, in simple language, a break above 3,097 means that a larger corrective bounce is likely coming. There would be like a warning, like a signal that a larger corrective bounce is unfolding. It could easily unfold from here, because if we consider this may be just an A wave rally, and it doesn't matter so much if it was to this high or this high, but basically reached the golden ratio level now, could easily bounce from here. And if we start to see first impulse above initial resistance, it just is a signal that the white count is not unfolding as we have it on here. And I already mentioned to you that things don't line up fully here on the ETH chart. So nevertheless, until we get a break above resistance, downside pressure remains high, and the next support levels are 2,932, 2,880, 2,840, 2,800. There's a good confluence there between a larger degree and smaller degree target, and then possibly down to 2,500. Ideally, I'd like it to finish there though. Okay, and that's sort of the idea currently that I have about the ETH chart. Downside pressure obviously high. No sign that this downside move is finished. If this is the white count indeed, then the C wave down looks really unfinished, and it should really minimally, there's no need to get to 2,500 as long as we have 5 waves down and it finishes below the A wave low, which was at 2,000, 770, minimum requirements for this decline in a C wave are fulfilled. That's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.